The Djuke by Vallerret. The chilled air of winter has no boundaries. The Djuke has been developed for you, street photographers. Navigating pavements, alleyways, architecture, and coffee shops, capturing unique angles as you explore your concrete kingdom. The Djuke features overlapping flip-tech finger caps on the index and thumb, genuine goat leather, 100% merino wool and Thinsulate insulation, and a touchscreen compatible index and thumb, making it the perfect glove to keep you on the streets and freezing the magic. Being a street photographer takes patience, persistence, and a bit of style. The Djuke by Vallerret.